What's going on, everybody? Thank you for joining me. We got a 15-minute HIIT full body workout, okay? You will need a pair of weights and you need a mat, okay? We will be working on the ground, all right? Nice and easy. Get those hands up. Get those knees up right here. Exhale that breath, all right? Just warming up the body, swinging those arms, working the shoulders, getting that heart rate going, get that blood flowing through the body. So every time you bring that knee up, you're gonna exhale that breath. Swing those arms all the way up above the head, all the way down. Okay, so we got cardio, we got strength, okay? We're doing 2 sets of each exercise, and then we're gonna hit that cardio, and then we're gonna go back into some strength exercises, okay? And then in the end, we're gonna finish off with some ab and core work, all right? Nice and easy, just warming it on up. Get those knees up, swing those arms. As always, take a break whenever you need to. Grab water whenever you need to, all right? But get right back into that exercise or that workout with me. Good, nice and easy. All right, first exercise for today, we are working renegade rows. All right, grab your weights, bring it on down to that mat here. Renegade row, you're in push-up position on the knees or on the toes. You choose, pull up and release. All right, you can be here, keeping those elbows nice and tight right there by the ribs. Or you're in push-up position. You're gonna open up those feet nice and wide, balance that body. Try not to rotate those hips too much. Keep that core engaged. Exhale that breath as you pull that weight up. All right, so we got full body workout, and then we're doing cardio. There's gonna be a calorie burner here. It's gonna get that sweat dripping. Gonna get that heart rate going. Okay, nice and easy. Lifting up those weights. Again, you can be on the knees if you need to. No worries. This is your workout in the end. You're doing what you can, what your body allows you to do. But I want you to push yourselves. Challenge that body. All right, here we go. Flip it on over. Going right into a chest fly. Palm towards each other. Right over the chest. Open up and close. All right, nice and easy. Exhale that breath. As you bring those weights back together. Keep those weights right there in line with that chest. As they come up, as they come down, they're still in line with the chest. All right, a little bit extra challenge. You can bring those knees up. Hit it 90-degree knees. Shins are tabletop. Nice and parallel with that ground. Open up that chest as wide as you can towards the ceiling. Close it all the way up. Bring those weights back together. Again, keep a soft bend in those elbows. Don't lock them out. Nice and controlled here. Nice and easy. Good. Great job, everybody. Nice work today. All right. Just getting started here. Open up and close. All right. Flip it back on over. Renegade rows one more time. Knees or toes, you choose. Right here. Again, you're placing those weights down on the ground nice and gentle. No need to slam them. The more controlled, the better. Control the hips as much as you can. Remember, wide feet, wide stance, in that push-up position. Exhale. Inhale, she come down. Again, drop to the knees if you're losing that form, okay? If that weight is too heavy for you to control, drop it to the knees. Totally fine. You're just doing what you can. Trying to get that workout in. Okay, so again, we do 2 sets, so you have extra practice, okay? That first set, feeling out, learning the moves. Second set, pushing a little bit harder. Good. Great job. Keep it going. Back onto the back. Chest fly. Second set. Here we go. Try and keep those elbows off the ground. We don't have much clearance with that ground when we open on up. So you gotta control it with the arms. Feel it in the chest, opening up. Bring those weights back together. Alright, exhaling as you bring those weights back on up. The exertion of the exercise, that's when you breathe out. It's gonna give you a little bit more power. You breathe out as much as you need to. Okay, you can make a grunting noise, that's alright. Alright, just getting out all that air to get that power through the muscles, to get that weight back on up. 10 more seconds. Then we're getting into our first cardio session, okay? Alright, just a few more. Alright, go ahead and put those weights to this side here. Grab some water, wipe some sweat if you need to already. Alright, first cardio. Right into some jumping jacks here, okay? Nice and easy. Alright, right here. Hands all the way up, all the way down. Bouncing on those toes, again, heels are off the ground. Exhale that breath as you bring those arms up. Inhale as you come back down. Just try and touch those hands at the top. Nice. Low impact if you need it. No jumping required here. You're still moving. Right here or here. So it's about challenging yourselves with this cardio. You can go faster if you need to push that heart rate. Go a little bit more, working your endurance. Keep it breathing though. That's gonna help you with that cardio. That's gonna help you last longer, is if you keep that air flowing through the body, just like anything else. Nice and easy and controlled breathing here. Awesome job. Alright, bring it on down. We're gonna do some squat with some kick out. Looks like this. You're gonna squat, kick out, kick out. Hands at center or hands on hip. Whatever helps you balance more. With those squats, feet are shoulder width apart. Knees are bending forward. Reaching that bottom back for that imaginary chair. So bend those knees as much as you can. Side to side, just kicking that leg out. 30 seconds. Looking good, everybody. Feeling good. Breathing. Sweat started. Do what you can. We got 2 more sets of these. Okay, 2 more sets of the cardio. Then we'll take another break. 10 more seconds. We're going right back into jumping jacks. This time, you challenge yourselves even harder. You push that speed a little bit faster. Here we go. Good. Nice. How fast are you going? You can even count them out to yourselves. See how many you can get in that minute. Nice. Keep it breathing. Exhale again as you open on up. As you bring those hands up. All the way up, all the way down. Bounce. Bouncing on those toes. Heels off the ground. Push. Breathe. Do that work. Feel that fire inside of you, okay? That motivation driving you to the end of this workout. Great job. You got this. 10 more seconds. Back into those squat kick outs. Alright, here we go. Last set. Get a little lower. Kick that leg out a little bit higher. Keep that chest, keep that back forward towards me. Get that leg up nice and high. Leg is fairly straight as I kick out, okay? Toes point to the front. Just nice and easy. Good. Keep that back tall, keeping that balance. Core is working here. Legs are working. Nice job. 30 seconds. Picking that speed up a little bit faster here. Then we're getting into another breather. Then we get into that weights again, okay? 15 seconds. Feel the legs. Breathe in. Exhale as you come on up. Again, the exertion of the exercise, that's when you breathe out. Alright, take a little breather here. Shake those legs off. Grab some water if you need to. Okay, we're going back to the weights here. Alright, we're starting with one weight. Alright, working some shoulders. Right here with some orbitals. Circling the head. Alright. One side of that weight is always facing your head. Nice and controlled. Watch the face though, watch the nose, watch the ears. You don't want to run into that with that weight. controlled, circling the head. Good. More control, the better. Speed, don't worry about that speed. Other direction. Good. Nice work, everybody. Keep it going, circle that head with these orbitals. Working shoulders here, shoulder mobility. 10 more seconds. Great job. And then we're gonna go into the other pair weight. Grab that. Hammer curls into a press here. All right, hammer curl, palms towards each other. Press up and down. Curl up, press up, down, down. Nice and easy, okay? This is a combo move here. All right, so you're gonna focus on each move independently. Working that curl, hammer curl, into that press, back down into that negative. Good. Keep that balance. Keep that back tall. Feet shoulder width. Okay? Try not to move that upper body too much. The only thing is moving really is the arms. Nice job. Get that weight up above the head. Working that press. Good. Working arms here. 10 more seconds. Then we're getting back into orbitals. Great job. One more. Put one weight down. One weight in hand. Orbital one direction. It doesn't matter which direction you're going this time. Nice and close to the head. Circling around. Again, one side of that weight is facing you at all times. Nice and controlled. More controlled, the better. Keep it breathing. Keep pushing through it. Good. Great job. Other direction. Last ones. How are we feeling? Working those shoulders. Feel the burn. Mind muscle connection here. Feeling the shoulders work. Keep them going. Keep it breathing. Looking good, everybody. Feeling awesome. Feeling great. Almost there. Then we're gonna grab that other weight. Back into those hammer curl presses. Alright, grab the other weight. Last set. Alright. Back tall, cores engaged. Hammer curl. Give me that press. Good. Nice job. Keep breathing. Control that breath. If you're losing form, if that weight is getting too hard to press up, take a little breather. That's okay, and then you get right back in it with me. It's always about that form with that strength training. Not really working that speed. We want quality over quantity. It doesn't matter how many you're getting out on these. As long as you have that perfect form, each one, utilizing the correct muscles. Keep it breathing, stay in control. Good. Nice job. Keep pressing that. 10 more seconds. Then we'll take a breather, and then we'll finish off with some abs and core. Great job. All right, put that weight down. Grab that water, take that breather if you need it. All right, the final move. We'll bring it back down to the ground here. We are gonna work high plank, low planks, okay? Here we go. High plank, low plank, down, down, up, up. For those feet, you can drop to the knees if you like. Little modification if you need it. Or the wider your feet, if you're on your toes, the easier it is, the closer, the more challenging. What you want to do is try and control those hips as much as you can. On these press-ups, when you go into that high plank, I want you to pushing up on the opposite hand. If you push up on the right side one time, push up on the left side the next time. Helps balance out that body, keeps it controlled, utilizing each side in an even amount of time. Good. Last 30 seconds. Keep it going. Keep that back, keep those hips in line. Still want that perfect plank, even though we're adding in this high plank, low plank. The arm movement, keep those hips engaged. Belly button pulled in nice and tight. Keep it breathing. Good. Almost there. 5 seconds. And time. Nice job, everybody. Go ahead and sit it back on those heels. Reach those arms forward. Chin down to the chest. Sit back on those heels. Feel that stretch right there in the upper body. Alright, lay it on down. Pull in that right foot for me, right quad stretch here. Control the breathing here. How we do, everybody? Good. Just stretching it out. This helps with that recovery. Remember that. And if you need more stretching than what I do in this video, check out my other stretch and recovery videos, okay? Alright. Bring it on up. Downward dog. Hips up. Heels back. Nice, good pyramid with that body. Reach those arms forward. Alright, walk those feet towards those hands. Hang it on down. Roll it up slowly. Take that arm right over the chest. Pull that elbow in. Still breathing. Still slowing it down. You did awesome work today. Switch sides. Reach those arms behind. Pull it on up. Chin coming up. Arms behind. Bring it forward. Round that back. Chin down to the chest. Reach those hands up. Chin down. Lengthen that body. Alright, nice, good. Inhale. Exhale, bring those arms down. One more time, inhale. Exhale. Give yourselves a hand. Great job, everybody. Alright, let me know in the comments below how this workout was for you. Alright, again, stay fit, stay flex, and I'll see you next workout.